have with us a very delighted customer, that is Mr Sambhram R from ABB India Limited. Could you please tell us, since when have you have your journey started with Schmalz, and how have been your overall experience?
I started working with ABB from last 8 years, and from 8 years I am in touch with small sales team. The thing we like about small is first of the sales response, and second after sales also same response we will get. So nice journey with small, and after all about that we have a very good quality of the product is also good. So we hope this journey will continue with small and ABB.
Surely, that will surely continue. I hope that too. That was Schmalz customers. We can see how delighted they are and will continue to be delighted by Schmalz. Thank you.